Hi guys, welcome back to the Nook. Today's video is a vlog. From the title of this video, I'm sure you already know that it is an updated living room tour. So I had moved into this apartment during the summer, and this was basically an empty apartment. So the living room was bare, like you can see right now. And myself and my housemates were able to upgrade this living room to become something really amazing for a very affordable price. You probably have already seen the tag of how much it cost us to put this living room together. It was quite affordable compared to the normal Canadian standard, and I'm going to be taking you through the process of how we're able to achieve this without any further ado. Guys, welcome to our upgraded living room. I, for one, was really excited about what we're able to do with the place. We're able to transform this empty space to a home that we could live in. So it has this soft, homely, ambient vibe that I really love. And the most fascinating part about all this is the fact that we didn't have to break the bank to achieve this. And I'll give you a minute or two to just take it all in, and I'll come back to explain how we're able to achieve this. Putting this place together was kind of a new experience for me because I was decorating this space not just for myself but also in consideration of my housemate. And I think that really helped because she is more price conscious than I am, and I am the more artistic person. So while I brought my eye for design and detail, she was more concerned about the price, and that was like a match made in heaven. So most of the items we got for this place were thrifted. We spent most of our money on Facebook Marketplace. I didn't have the time or energy for Facebook Marketplace, so my housemate was in charge of that. I was just like more of the decider, and in terms of execution, she did most of the execution, so pick up. But then we're also fortunate to find, for example, the chair on Facebook Marketplace, and the person was willing to deliver. And also those really nice throw pillows, we found them on Facebook Marketplace for really cheap. Guys, if you are a patient person and you want to save a lot of bucks, what you can also do is to buy stuff from Facebook Marketplace and flip it. So for example, we had gotten the dining table and a set of 4 chairs. However, the chairs were more like garden chairs, they were metal, so we were not keen on keeping them. So my housemate flipped the chairs for exactly the same price we bought the table and the chair. So technically we got the table for free. So guys, this is the total we had spent before we got the TV, the mirror, and also the recliner chair. But when we then got the TV, this was the new total. I would say that the most expensive item, hands down, was the TV. So from this video, you can see that we currently do not have a TV, and we had to wait for Black Friday sales to get our TV. Hi guys, guess what? I finally got the delivery of the TV today. So we are putting it together, and with that, we have basically come to the end of our living room makeover. So I can now show you how the end product looks like. So yeah, let's get to makeover in. If that's a thing. Anyways, my housemate received the delivery of the TV, and then she protected it with the stools to prevent stories that touch. But we decided to unbox it later in the evening and set it all up. So this is how it looked when we had put it all up. As a first act, guess what I did? I watched the Nook. So this is me watching myself. Strange but interesting. Guys, we've come to the end of this video, but before we go, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Also turn on your notification bell so you get notified when I publish new content like this. And also please give a thumbs up to this video. It helps me gain visibility and it helps my channel grow. Thank you, and bye bye.